Hey, when Lebo and that woman, the apartment in Yabo, when he called me, ahlala ngami ethi ufuna silungise izinto ngamwashela the following day mase ngihambisa iy'mpahla kanti the woman is there. He allowed me to get into the house. It got physical. The woman almost killed me. And my husband witnessed that thing. I kept on saying, sorry, yeah, police. He was there. Good background. Ngizoyifaka leyo video ngifuna ukuthi niyibone. I got threatened ngayo kuthiwa angifake le video because I want to expose that woman. Ngifaka le video because I actually I'm pleading to social media people, especially women. You can never attack another woman because I was going through in. I'm gonna put it not because I wanna expose my ex, not because I wanna ruin things for him, but he knows I've been quiet. And I feel like this.
So Asiphekeleni umyeni wami uMbaliskosana is trending on TikTok after she did a video and posted it on her YouTube channel, which is titled The Story of a Wounded Healer, What Really Happened, Breaking My Silence, Enough is Enough. This comes after, a leaked video of Mbaliskosana on the floor crying, looking like she was being murdered up, has been released, you guys. And Mbaliskosana says that, you know what, I have been through hell at the hands of my so-called ex-husband, and it's about time I expose what really transpired. And according to him, she was tricked into believing that the ex-husband is, wants to fix things with her, and that's when she decided to go to his apartment, only to find that then girlfriend, who is now ex-girlfriend, with her ex-husband. And that's when the beating happened. She said that she was then beaten up to a pulp by the then girlfriend, and unfortunately she says that the ex-husband was just watching and of course recording to humiliate her. She says that, I have been shamed, humiliated, and I was in a very toxic relationship at the time with this man. I am just glad and I thank God that I managed to leave that toxic relationship. He says that, I don't care what happened, but what I know for sure is that I am definitely going to expose this man for the monster that he truly is. Now, however, Mbaliskosana's ex-husband too has come out, and he too is telling his side of the story, and he has made a lot of allegations on Mbaliskosana. As a matter of fact, he says that Mbali is not as perfect as you guys paint her to be, or as she paints herself out to be. She is not a saint. He says that, first of all, Mbaliskosana, when she got into their apartment, when she went into the apartment, her first thing that she did was to fight the then ex, and then that's when the ex tried to stop whatever was happening, and Mbaliskosana fell onto the floor and she started hysterically crying as though she was being beaten up, knowing very well that she is the one who started everything. The ex also says that Mbaliskosana is very manipulative. Just because she has a lot of social media followers, she takes advantage of that. And he says that Mbali is lying to you guys. She was not beaten up like she claims to be beaten up by him. You guys, he said quite a lot, so I'm going to do a second video whereby the ex addresses everything. But however, you guys, please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.